good morning, Sisis and Lodis. Hello, na pa inaantay natin. Ito ang sariling atin, Malolos Convention, free Zumba from weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Pwede tayo mag-relax, mag-jogging, mag-jumping rope, at mag-run, mag-walk. Alright, health is wealth. No one can pay for it. Ayan, ito ang ating last cool down na sayaw. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, nasa tabi kami ng coach. Lahat dito ay bida. Okay, warm up song for the last song and cool down song. Alright, ang saya-saya. Don't forget, every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Let's go! Count me in! Bye! Kita-kit! Lugawans! Mukbang! Lafang! After Zumba! Ayan tayo eh. Alright, just enjoy your meal, a breakfast.